Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Thank you for stopping by. If you viewed my channel before, welcome back. I appreciate all the love. This is the look that I'll be doing today. Just a more natural glam glow, okay? And this look is definitely giving me vibes right now. Information about my hair will be in the description because I probably will get some questions about this. I love this hair. This hair is so freaking soft and it was on a good deal, y'all. So I'll definitely leave some information about that, but I will be doing this look today. You know what, y'all? I'm feeling like fabulous with this. Just let's take a moment and admire this look, okay? It took me probably not that long, like a 30-minute glam, which I am super excited about because you always want something that you can just get in and get out, okay? But let me stop jibber jabbering and let's get to the video, okay? Thank you for tuning in to my channel, and I'll see y'all later. So in the beginning, I'm just blending this color out with the color Rebel and the Tarte palette Blossom, continuously using back and forth circular motions to really build up the product into my lid. And I continuously keep doing that until I am fully accomplished with the buildup that I want. So during this process, I'm just blending in the product leader. So in the same palette, the Tarte palette, and it's like a dark brown color. And I'm just continuously doing my motions, back and forth motions, really, like I said, building that product up. And I really like this color leader because it really, like, for this natural look, it really, like, gave me like a brown intensive look, and I really like that. Gave me like a little smoky kind of eye going on, so I fuck with it. So I'm just going in with some eye primer to now cut my crease, y'all. Yes, this is a natural cut crease. So I'm just taking that little concealer and really drawing my line out so I can really cut the crease. And then we can get it shut poppin'. You already know. The next process for me will definitely be just blending that color in. I'm blending in the color in Flower Child, and I'm building in Smash. I think it's Smash Smarty Pants or something like that in the Tarte palette. Like I said, this whole process is using the Tarte palette, so I used everything in the same thing, and I just mixed those two colors together because they were definitely a natural set colors, light browns and light white peachy. So I really fuck with that. So that's basically what I'm just using right now, and I'm just putting it in my cut crease where I cut it at and giving it just that intensified look. So my next process is I'm using a eyeliner to fill in my liner, giving myself a wing look. I don't know the eyeliner that I use because I got it from like a drugstore or something, so I really don't remember. But it works really good, which I really like, and it stays on literally all day. Surprisingly for a little drugstore, dollar store like makeup, but it does. So I'm just using that, drawing my line, and continuously doing what I've been doing. If you need a detailed video for eyeliner, I can do that, but it's kind of hard to explain, so I probably will make a video. And I'm just putting in my highlighter in my teardrop eye to really intensify the look. So during this process, I'm really applied concealer. Eyelashes are already put off camera. And I'm just color correcting currently right now just to remove some hyperpigmentation. And ladies, please always remember to blend, 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 you ladies. Do not forget that. That is key to having flawless makeup. And please, if you gotta sit there and blend for 2-3 minutes, your makeup gonna be popping. And now I'm just applying my foundation, Maybelline Fit Me Matte. Okay, and I'll just apply this with this brush. But you'll see later on in the video that that didn't quite work out, and I started using my beauty blender. So that's what I get for starting to use new stuff, and I really don't like. So at this point in the video, I'm just highlighting in the areas that I really want to shine bright like a diamond. And I'm really just putting that in and really like maneuvering that and really working with that. And y'all can see I was having some struggles trying to get that concealer out that little tool, but I got it though. So you already know through this process, I had to blend, blend, blend. I use sections. I don't know why I use sections, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And now I'm just spraying the Fix Plus on there so it can work in better because that dry beauty blender was not working. So I had to spray some stuff on there. And you see me again struggling. But yeah, I'm just putting it in sections and really, blending that out. I put concealer right there because I needed it to be intense, and then I'm taking my dark concealer and putting it in the areas that I want it to be slicked in. So right now I'm just taking the color Topez Banana Powder by Kiss. I'm just really putting in the areas where I highlighted at to really set that concealer in. So right now I'm just taking some drugstore contour powder in a dark color, and I'm really just putting it in the areas where I feel I put the powder at to slick down my face. I don't know why I do that. I feel like it just kind of gives me a more like intensified look. I think my contour be popping, and I'm putting it in my nose, same color, same thing, and yeah. Yes, queen, spread that mist, okay? Putting some highlighter in my teardrop again, and I'm now highlighting my face, okay? And when I tell you I highlight to the gods, okay? Yes, I'm highlighting my whole face. So next I just put some brown eyeliner pencil, and I put it in my lip line to really, like, you know, bring it out, put it in the middle to really make my lips look big, even though I really don't need to. It just really makes my lips look sexy. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So next I'm just taking some lip gloss lipstick. I don't even know. I had this for like so many years, and I don't even know where I got it from. But it works. It's a Muave Color, so I really like that. I don't even know, but it's tight. So this definitely concludes the look for today. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And like always, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, because I definitely got more videos coming. I know I've been going for a long time, but I'm definitely back now, and I'm definitely in a good space. I got so many videos I want to do. I've been in a whole bunch of brand new space, so like now I'm just like ready to film, and I'm ready to go. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and thank you for watching with me and tuning in with me today. Information about the hair definitely will be in the description box below, okay? And like I said, don't forget to, you know what I'm saying, give me a little motherfucking comment down below, okay? Like always, love you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and